This is Matt with Heritage Tractor. This video is for customers that are using implement guidance to create AutoPath from rows, and they want to preview that AutoPath from row data in Operations Center. So to do that, from the Operations Center homepage, you're going to go to Setup, and then you're going to go to Land. And then over here on the left side, you can search for a particular field that you want to look at. So I'm going to select this one. And you'll see it shows the boundary here. We can also look at guidance flags and other details. So to see the AutoPath from rows, we're going to go to Guidance. And then we're going to go to the AutoPath Row tab. And you'll see there's 3 different operations here that implement guidance was used. So we're going to select the seeding corn 2026. You can see that corn was planted on this portion of the field. And then in here, you can preview track spacing. So we're going to harvest this with a 12-row head. So we're going to put in 30 feet. And then 30-inch rows, 12 rows. And then we want to optimize for the fewest paths. So we're going to hit preview. And then in here, you can see the AutoPath row data. The yellow lines are where the crop was planted, and the blue is the AutoPath from row guidance lines. Up here, you could uncheck rows. You could also check the source operation if you want to see exactly where the tractor traveled and which direction. You can also do this in the display also. It's a good idea, especially if it's your first time using implement guidance, whether that be a fall tillage application or a spring planting application. After you do a field or two, to come in here and check the AutoPath row data to make sure that everything looks correct, it's being mapped correctly before you send it to whether that be the sprayer, the side dress bar, the row crop cultivator, or the combine. I always recommend to double check that after you plant your first couple fields to make sure that all the AutoPath from row data looks correct. It's a new feature that they added recently, and it's very helpful.